The Asus Zenfone 9 will be unveiled at global event on July 28, and it seems that it will go on pre-order immediately. It will be relatively small by today's standards, but not all that small. It measures 146.6 into 68.2 into 9.45 mm and weighing 165 grams, fractionally smaller than the Zenfone 8. For comparison, the same numbers for the Galaxy S22 read 146 into 70.6 into 7.6 mm and 167 grams. The phone will be equipped with a 5.92-inch AMOLED display with 1080 into 2400 pixel resolution. The aspect ratio is 20:9 and 120Hz refresh rate. It will be guarded by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The phone itself will have an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. The front camera will use a 12-megapixel Sony IMX663 with dual PDAF. On the back, there will be two cameras. The main module has a 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 sensor with a 6-inch axis gimbal stabilization. This camera can record 8K video. Also on the back is the 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera with an IMX368 sensor. The Asus Zenfone 9 will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Of course, this being a proper tiny flagship. Asus Zenfone 9 will have three versions: 8GB RAM and 128GB of ROM, 8 or 256GB storage and 16 or 256GB storage, and 4 colorways. For connectivity, this phone will have 5G bands, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC and GNSS. The wired connectivity will include a USB-C 3.0 and a 3.5mm headphone jack. That USB-C port will also charge the 4300 mAh battery. According to the retailer, there will be a 30-watt USB-C charger in the retail package. The fingerprint reader will go on the side. Also, the listing includes the date of last guaranteed OS updates, August 24. The last guaranteed security patch is listed as 447972. We are not entirely clear what that means. The base Asus Zenfone 9 8GB RAM or 128GB storage will cost around $800. The 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM is 10% more, and it will be priced at $1,000 buck. Thanks for the watching. See you in the next video.